Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to do exercise 5.1. Example number 1. Which of the following statements are true or false and which are false? And you have to give the reason for your answer. Okay. Now here first statement given to you is only one line can pass through a single point. Suppose you are given a single point, only one line can pass through it, that is given. So this statement will be false. Because as you can see in the figure, many lines can pass through it, infinitely many. You can draw more such lines which can pass through this single point P. Okay, the answer will be false. Reason, infinite number of lines can pass through a point. Second question given to you is there are indefinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Suppose you are given two distinct points P and Q, and through two distinct points only one line can pass. Okay, so the statement will be false because they have given indefinite number of lines, so that will be false. Reason, one and only one line can pass through two distinct points. Third, a terminated line can pass through can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. This is a terminating line. Okay, it has two endpoints. Now if we extend this terminating, if we produce this terminating line in both the direction, so we can extend it indefinitely in both the direction, so that will be true. Now number 4, if two circles are equal then the radii are equal. So this is also true. Suppose you draw two circles. Okay, suppose they are equal. So if we coincide their centers, then their circumference will also coincide. They will come one above the other. And this is the reason why both of them will have same radius also. So if the circles are equal, then their radii will be equal. So that is true. Okay. If the following figure, if AB, see three line segments are given to you, AB, PQ and XY. AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY. Then AB equal to XY, then AB. So this statement will be true. And what is the reason? Euclid's first axiom you had studied last time. Okay, in the first axiom what we said, what we stated, that the things which are equal to the same thing are equal to each other. Here see, AB is also equal to PQ and XY is also equal to PQ. Both are AB and XY are equal to same thing, that is PQ. Then these two also will be same. Both are equal to PQ, then AB and XY will also be same. Okay, now give the definition for each of the following. Example number 2. Point. A small dot made by a sharp pencil on a sheet of paper gives us an idea of point. Now actually point is an undefined term. Okay, it does not have any, we cannot define it. Now then also if we want to write something about point, then what is a point? So a point is a dot. Suppose you are having a pencil and you draw a dot on a piece of paper, so that dot is known as a point. Okay, a point has no dimensions, that we studied last time. Okay, second, what is a line? A line is a set of points which is straight and can be extended indefinitely in both the direction. So what is a line? So line, it is a set of points. It is made up of many points and it can be extended in both the directions infinitely. Okay, so that is the line.